Hi, what up, guys? We're back at it with the head. It's been a while since I've worked on this. I've been working 6 days every week, including today, which honestly I'm not trying to complain about. I'm very fortunate to actually have a job right now, considering what's going on. But anyways, I started going at it and I was like, you know what? I should probably film this. So I already got the rockers and the LMAs out. You see these. The pin, I call it a pin, the big ass rod that holds the LMA in, or the rocker assembly to get the LMAs out, and then you got, these two pins which go in here. And this is essentially what holds them in place. All I do is just get like a wood screw and just, get a wood screw, thread it in there, and pull it out. These have threads on them, but I don't know what they are. I can't tell you. Usually like a wood screw will jam in there. They pull out pretty easy. These guys, did you hear me fart? These guys screw in right here. You're gonna want to use, this is a 10mm Allen wrench tool. A lot of people have trouble with these. They strip them out. Get one of these ratcheting Allen wrench things. Get yourself a nice big old wrench. I mean, you're Pittsburgh, getting all this together, the wrench was like 20 bucks. These are all like probably 20 bucks too, but I've used the whole set so much. I'm telling you, I love them. Let's get you some of those. 1, 2, 3. So you pull those plugs out, you get kind of a screwdriver just to get it started to slide out, and they should slide out pretty easy because everything's lubed up. All this stuff comes out easy. The LMAs come out pretty easy. You just right. So, the beautiful part about working on these heads is nothing's really seized up, so it's all oiled up. So what I'm going to do is I'll put new springs on and valves and everything. So I think I might just label them all, put them in one bag, zip tie these together. As you can see, I already got my chart. So probably put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then that will, label all the valves and stuff like that. I might keep the valves just in case. I don't know what I want to do, but I am going to start going out at these valves, which I do have my new little tool. So these are pretty cool. You go in there, boom, pull them out. So I'm going to start going at it. I'll get back to you guys shortly. So I got the exhaust side done. Took me like 10 minutes with this thing. It's pretty cool. You can see the keepers in there. You just smack the hell out of it and they come out. I think I'm going to buy the other tool that you screw the things in because it's a little more gent tool. I don't really want to bang these things in on my new head, new rebuilt head. But I want to show you guys something. This is probably why my car was running like shit. I don't know why I didn't notice this. Check this out. Yeah. The fuck. So, I think I found the problem. It's a piece of plastic, and I'm assuming it's off, I think I might have taken this off the valve cover, and I don't know, a piece of plastic from a new part or something flew in there, and it's wedged in there and stuck. So, essentially, I probably could have just taken the head off, taken that off, put it back together, and the car would have been fine. I think this is what my problem was. Fuck. Anyways, let me get the other side off. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I got everything done. Used my tool. Just bang them in there. Actually, this thing's really cool to take them off. I don't think I'm going to use it to put them back in because you really got to bang them in. I don't know. It just... I guess I'm just not really comfortable with banging these things in there to get the valve keepers in there. So, the next thing to do is to take off the retainers. I forget if that's what they're called. I drank a couple beers. But I actually bought the tool to pull these things out because I don't like pulling them out with pliers, because I think I might sell them to my buddy. The whole setup, because he has a bare head right now and he's trying to build an engine. I honestly might just give them to him, because that guy, the whole reason this car is running for this long was because of him. I borrowed his distributor so many parts, so I think I might just give them to him. So that's it for this video. The next one will probably be me pulling out the retainers and taking it over to Volkswagen Paradise to get it hot tanked, and then we can start installing everything. See, I went super tech. My springs, my keepers, and I got my got a clutch, but it's stage 1. I think I might go stage 2. There's all my valves over here. Underneath are B-Locks cams. Kind of regretting getting these, but they're stage 2. We'll see what happens. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Peace.